I'm Italian by blood, so meals like this are something I just can't live without. But if you know anything about Italian food, you know bread is usually involved. And for me, chicken cutlet sandwiches used to be a real problem. So instead of giving up the flavors I love, I adapted them. I ditched the bread and breading and started making meals like this Tuscan chicken. Same vibes, way less guilt. First thing I do is prep my zucchini. Peel it, slice it, and season with garlic powder, oregano, kosher salt, and pepper. Next up, the chicken. Grab a piece of parchment or butcher paper and a meat tenderizer and beat that thing like it owes you money. This is Tuscan chicken after all, so treat it like a mob hit. We're looking for a nice, even, thin chicken breast so it cooks perfectly. Season both sides with kosher salt and pepper and add it to a pan with a little olive oil over medium heat. Let it sit for a few minutes until it gets a good sear, then flip it. While the chicken cooks, get your zucchini going. I cook it until it's soft and golden brown. Then I pull it out and set it aside. In that same pan, add your spinach. Let it wilt down. This only takes a couple minutes. Then hit it with some balsamic vinegar and freshly minced garlic. Give it a good mix, and once that's done, remove it from the pan. When your chicken hits about 160 degrees internal, it's time to build. We're aiming for 165, and because the chicken is evenly thin, you won't have to worry about half of it drying out. Top the chicken with your spinach, roasted peppers, mozzarella, and melt it. I use a blowtorch, but you can absolutely use a broiler if that's what you got. Finish it off with a drizzle of balsamic glaze, and you've got a winning dinner that'll have you begging for seconds. Just try to keep those portions under control. Your scale will thank you later. On the side, I made a simple arugula salad with balsamic vinegar, cherry tomatoes, and shaved parmesan. This is how I lost 75 pounds in 5 months. Not by giving up the food I love, but by adapting it. Subscribe to Fitness Barbecue in Your Mouth for more recipes like this one and to follow along with my full weight loss journey.